Oh, what is this? A carp? Ooh, that's a big one. Woohoo! Look at that! Oh, there we go. There we go, folks. Freshwater drum on the Ned rig in the BFS bait finesse system reel. Oh, I got something big. It's pulling, actually pulling drag. Ooh, she's pulling drag. Oh my God, it's a muskie, I think. What the hell is this? Oh, another drum. Huge drum. Oh, look at this. These things are awesome. Oh, look at that sucker. Look at that, folks. Nice freshwater drum. This is the second one. These things fight like crazy.
Thanks for watching Bassman Strikes Kayak Fishing. If you like this video, please click the subscribe and like buttons. If you would like to be notified of new content, click the bell button. If you have any questions about lures, equipment, etc., please leave a comment. Also, be sure to check out our Facebook page and join our group Black Bass Central. Links will be in the description. We'll see you next time.